In this video, we'll learn how to make a copy of a shape or any graphic element and repeat those copies simultaneously in Affinity. So in order to make a copy, first of all, let's create a shape. I'll click on my favorite shape, which is the square star shape right here. And then after selecting the shape, we can click anywhere in the canvas and drag to make the shape like so. So you can see here now in the layers panel that our square star shape is being created. We can also duplicate the shape in the layer panel itself by holding down the command key and clicking on the J. Let me go ahead and again select the square star tool or the square star layer in the layer panel and hold by holding down the command key. Let's press the J key again, and this will make a copy of that particular shape. And if you're in the Windows, you can hold down the Control and J key. So we can see that a new shape has been created by clicking and dragging like so. So let me remove this new shape, and now let's move it to the left. And after moving to the left, let's duplicate this particular shape by only using the command or control key. So by holding down the command or control key, click on the shape and then drag it like so. And then you can see now that a duplicate has been shown, which we can move and place anywhere in the canvas. If we hold down the shift key, we can make a constraint and geometrically place it or place the duplicate anywhere on the canvas. So let me remove and create a new copy of that shape. So if we want to repeatedly create a new copy of this particular shape, all we can do is by holding down the command or control key, we can simply press the J key the number of times we want to make the number of copies like this. And now you can see that different copies of the shape has been created in the canvas in Affinity. So this is how you can create multiple copies of the same shape repeatedly in Canvas. So if you find this video helpful, please press the like button, and in order to know more tips and tricks in the future like this, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.